Welcome back. So we have learned how to check in a guest, a working guest. We have learned how to check in a working guest. So we have two check-ins here. So we also have another way to check in. So let's assume you have a lot of guests on you. They just came, they did not make any reservation. And there are a lot there. You can't, and they are new. They don't have their data in the Clefmate system as well because they have not. It's their first time being at your hotel, so you can't go through the form registering them for them to be waiting. So there is a function in it called quick check-in. There's a function in it called quick check-in where you just have to open the room, select the number of guests sleeping in the room, the booking source, and then the number of nights only, and then you check the guest in. So let's do a quick one, and let's put the guest in this room 207. Let me click on it and come here. So here you see we have a guest name as quick check-in here, and there's no account number. So what you have to do is this part, the PS, that's what you're going to fill, and then you select your bookings. So let's say it's a working guest and the number of nights, so just a one night for the guest, and that's it. You go ahead and click on quick check-in. Yeah, click on the check-in. So now we have here as check-in instead of the guest name is quick check-in. So what is the advantage of this quick check-in? The advantage is you can't check out a quick check-in unless you assign a guest to it. So after your guest is gone and then the place is less busy, you can come back to the room, register the guest data from the form that the manual form that they fill, and then put the individuals in each of the room that you gave to them. So here you can go back to the quick check-in. So let's say this quick check-in, we want to check it out, the room out. So you cannot check out quick check-in. Please update guest info respectively. And because it's a quick check-in, so it's not even allowing us to quick check-in the guests. Okay. So I'll click OK. I'll click on the room, and now I want to fill the guest data into this room. So I'll just go to the guest, search for guest accounts, the search icon. I'll go to new guests here. Okay, new guest. I'll select, say individual. Anything here, the person or occupation or anything, you can put there. And then we click on save and say, oh, customer address successful. And now you can close it and you select John Chroma from here, and now you can click on update info. So I'll just go ahead and say update info, and I'll just close this. So now we have just John Chroma, and if we want to check out, we can check out John Chroma. So because we just did a check-in and we want to check out, so it's saying guest checkouts date is not due yet. Provide reason to choose a checkout option. So what is the reason for you to just check the guest out? So are you checking out with refund, without refund? So we just cancel. We don't want to check that particular guest out. Okay, so that's how we do a quick check in and then update the guest data later. Okay, thank you. So you come back to learn how to check out a guest from the system. Bye bye.